अच्छा, यहाँ पे देखें स्ट्राची एज अ ग्रेट बियोग्राफर में देखते हैं लिटन, वैसे ये मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा करवा भी दिया था, वो थोड़ा मुश्किल लिखा हुआ था, इसको भी एक दफा पढ़ लेते हैं। लिटन स्ट्राची इनॉग्रेट द न्यू एरा of biological writing. He belonged to the Bloomsbury College. He made biography a literary medium. He considered biography capable of giving pleasure. Strachey stated twofold principle of selection and scrutiny, which marked all his work. He proposed a briefness which excludes everything that is superfluous and includes all that is significant. He explained that it was not the subject, rather it was treatment of subject that is important. Strachey certainly revolutionized the art of writing a biography. Before him, biographers neglected the dark side of their heroes like a biographer. They generally used to idealize their heroes by representing them as angels of sorry as angels of virtue. और वो जो है आइडियलाइज करते थे हीरोज को उन एज एंजल्स ऑफ वर्च्यू के, जैसे वो कोई एंजल्स ऑफ वर्च्यू है। ठीक है, उसने इस तरह की कोई बियोग्राफी नहीं लिखी थी, क्योंकि उससे पहले जितने भी बियोग्राफर्स थे वो निग्लेक्ट कर देते थे डार्क साइड ऑफ देयर हीरोज। ठीक है, एक इंसान जो है वो तो गलती का पुतला है, लेकिन उसकी सिर्फ जो है जो पॉजिटिव साइड है वो तो बताते थे, आइडियलाइज कर देते थे अपने हीरो को और उनको एंजल्स ऑफ वर्च्यू बना के पेश करते थे। Lytton Strachey was the first who presented a complete and human portrait. He did not hesitate to include in his biographies the failings, jokes and whims of his heroes. और जो स्टाची है वो कभी भी उसने हेजिटेट नहीं किया कि वो इंक्लूड करे इन हिज बियोग्राफीज द फेलिंग्स, जोक्स और whims of his heroes. He believed that a biographer must have a psychological insight into his describing personality. कि एक बियोग्राफर की जो है एक साइकोलॉजिकल इंसाइट होनी चाहिए into his describing personality. A biographer must neither suppress vital facts nor obscure those aspects of his character which are necessary in visualizing his true picture. Instead of giving an abstraction, Strachey indeed gave a creature of flesh and blood. Thus, his biographies of Queen Elizabeth I, Queen Victoria, General Gordon, Cardinal Manning, Thomas Arnold, and Florence Nightingale are considered unanimously by all critics to be the most truthful, honest, frank, and realistic portraitures. Chachi brought us face to face with men and women who were fallible human beings and not infallible saints or gods. We watched them live, think and quarrel like us. Sometimes they behave meanly and foolishly, and sometimes nobly and wisely. Lytton Strachey suggests that biographer of eminent men should not be written right after their death because their relatives and friends were naturally reluctant to disclose confidential details. He used to say first class biographies can only be written long after the hero's death. वो कहता है कि ये जो फर्स्ट क्लास बियोग्राफीज जो होती हैं ये उस वक्त लिखी जाती हैं लॉन्ग आफ्टर द हीरोज डेथ, जब हीरो की डेथ हो चुकी होती है। he had the gift of irony which had hardly any parallel. उसके मुकाबले उस ये जो है मतलब उसकी जो आयरनी है उसका मुकाबला नहीं था। Strachey's objectives were to make biography an unmistakable channel for truthful transmission of personality. वो जो है स्टाची का ऑब्जेक्टिव, मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ये था कि आप एक अनमिस्टेकेबल चैनल जो है यानी कि प्रोज जो है या बियोग्राफी जो है उसको बनाया जाए एक अनमिस्टेकेबल चैनल फॉर द ट्रूथफुल ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ पर्सनालिटी, यानी कि एक पर्सनालिटी के दोनों एस्पेक्ट्स बयान करने चाहिए, जो उसके जो राइट भी हैं और जो रॉन्ग भी है। टू राइट इट एज मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक फुटनोट टू द हिस्ट्री, टू मेक इट विविड एंड कंप्लीट स्टोरी, to make it a source of pleasure and inner satisfaction to the reader. Strachey certainly succeeded in attaining these objectives in most of his experiment of writing biography. Strachey protests against the lengthy, formless, boldly written biographies produced by Victorians. He insisted that the spirit of biographers should be free and that the biographer should write from a definite point of view, should select and include only essential materials of a subject, should give to a work good structure and excellence of style. His sketches shocked many critics but delighted many readers. M. Foster says Strachey helped in sweeping away the ponderous Victorian approach to the writing of biography, replaced it with a witty and impressionistic style that was widely imitated and studied at the University of Cambridge. Instead of using the conventional method of detailed chronological narration, Lytton Strachey carefully selected his facts to present eminent Victorians and prove himself the greatest biographer and opened new horizon of biographical writing. आगे points to remember हैं, ठीक है, इनऑगरेटिंग द न्यू एरा ऑफ बायोग्राफिकल राइटिंग। इसके अंदर बेटा आपने जो है कुछ पॉइंट्स ऐड करने हैं, स्पेशली आयरनी वाले क्वेश्चन में, और लिटन स्टार्ची एज अ बियोग्राफर, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपका 20 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन होगा तो एटलीस्ट आपके 800 to 1000 वर्ड्स होने चाहिए। यहाँ तक किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन